No, they've really switched. See, this is mine. And that was...
What? That's good. That's good. That's very good.
Hi there, Erik Tait from Penguin Magic here, and I'm going to teach you an amazing card trick with a very special card that I know you already have. Before we get to the trick, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified when we put up more free tutorials like that. For now, let's get to the trick. Just take one out of the deck, anyone you want. It's okay if I see it, it's not that kind of a trick. Okay, so take a look at it, and we're going to put it right here on top of the deck. And then, we'll have you sign your name across the face, big and bold. Sign your name across the face, big and bold. Excellent. And so can you be like a keeper of the card or something like that? So we'll have you put your finger on the 3 of clubs, and what we'll do is, why don't you have me pick a card? So why don't you take the deck, and then just spread through them like I did for you, and have me pick one. So I tell you what, I'm gonna take this one right here. My name's Erik, and So I got the 4 of hearts. Put your finger on my 4 of hearts. I'll put your finger on my finger on your 3 of clubs, right? Are you ready? See us switch places? Now I'll do the hard part. I'll make them switch back. No, they've really switched. See, this is mine. And that was...
What? That's good. That's good.
I'll tell you what, this...
That's very good.
This is a fantastic trick that uses what I like to think of as the Swiss Army knife for card magicians. We're talking about the double backer. You've probably bought a deck of cards from right here at Penguin Magic or one of the other fabulous card producers out there and said to yourself, what is this funky card that has 2 backs on it? Well, this is an incredibly useful gaff, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to do this trick right now. We're going to set aside this card right here because we want to start with a brand new card. However, you're going to take any card you want and sign your own name on it. I like to use a low red spot card when I'm using a black marker because your name stands out quite a bit better. You're then going to take your double backer and you're going to get a pencil. You're going to pencil dot in the index corners on both sides of this card. Now don't worry, this is a mark that you're going to be able to see, but your audience won't even notice it. Your signed card with your signature goes face up on the top of the deck, and the double backer goes right on top of that. Now, as long as you push a large block past these cards right here on top, no one will see your signature hiding on the top of the deck. You have your audience select a card, any one they want. Turn it face up and put it on top of the deck. Give them the marker to sign the card themselves. Let's suppose I'm performing for Claire now. Claire signs her name on the face of the card. Now, after you have Claire sign her name on the face of the card, you're going to blow on it to dry it off, and you're going to discreetly lift back on the back of the cards and get a break with your pinky under the top 3 cards. This is the 3 cards right here. And when you turn those over as one and take this top card out, what you've done is switch in the card with your already existing signature. You don't show them this, you just put it on the table and have them place something on it, like the card box, maybe a friend's finger, or even a drink. Give the deck a small shuffle, face up, but don't go too far into the deck, and then just drop the rest of the cards on top. This effectively cuts your double backer and their signed card into the middle of the deck. Now remember those pencil dots? They're going to come into play right now. When you hand the deck to your audience and have them spread, all you're going to do is look for that pencil dot right there. Then you're going to remove the card underneath it, and you'll hold this up to your face. Now this is the card that they signed. You don't show it to them, you just hold it up like this, take the marker and put your finger right across the tip, and you're going to run your nail across the face of the card without actually getting any ink on the card. And your nail simulates the noise of you signing the card. Pretend to place your own signature in there, place it face down sight unseen, cap your marker, and you are home free. All you have to do is make a magical gesture of your choice. Snap your fingers, cast a magic shadow, say alakazam, do whatever you want, but then your audience will see that the cards have switched places. Thanks for joining me for this quick tutorial on this fantastic trick with the double backer. If you look in the description below, there's a link to 2 other amazing card tricks that use this awesome card gimmick. Just go over to penguinmagic.com and you'll get this absolutely free video that'll show you an all backs routine and the trick that fooled Houdini. Do me a favor, hit like and subscribe and ring that bell so that you'll be notified when we put up more great tutorials like this to teach you some free magic. My name's Erik Tait. I'll see you over at penguinmagic.com.